Yeah.
The only thing I would say is maybe if you wanted to try going further.
All right. I thought I recorded my previous run, but Pastor Don. How about doing some motorcycle training today with Team Oregon? They do licensing training and warm-uppy stuff. So inside this box, we're going to do a little figure eight. Then we're going to do a little S-curve. There we go. We're going to come up here. We're going to stop and turn right without putting our feet down. Then we're going to go to the keyhole. Okay. Team Oregon calls this the Iron Cross. Motorcycle cops will call it the intersection. It's just a continuing series of figure eights with 4 legs to it. We'll do one more. We'll exit out. And we'll do an inline cone wave, and then we'll do an offset cone wave. Now, for all my motor cop friends out there, these patterns are bigger than what we're used to. This is a civilian class, and they'll frequently get people who just don't do these kind of things. So there we go. I have no idea what my time was because I didn't run a clock. But this is what they call Precision Maneuvering Clinic 1 or 2. I don't know. They have 2 different versions of this. So I just figure it's good to come out once a year or twice a year and have some good refresher. All right, well, that's it. It's about the end of the day.